Hi, in this video we will talk about applications of data mining. If we talk about applications, let us talk about market analysis and management. In market analysis, the first analysis could be related to customer profiling. Customer profiling means that we have to determine that what kind of people are looking into our products. And then next application could be identifying customer requirements. Customer requirements. Now customer requirements can vary from place to place, from location to location, from the type of job or businesses in which they are. So if you have to identify customers' requirement from time to time, for instance, if we talk about Diwali, if we talk about Holi festival, if we talk about some random day-to-day lifestyle, customers will have different requirements over these occasions. Thus, we have to identify customer requirements as per time, location, and many other factors which can be taken into account in order to analyze it. Then third is cross-market analysis. Now in cross-market analysis, what we do is it find the correlations between the products which are being sold. Now if we find the correlations, it means we also find associations. That means, for instance, if we talk about any grocery store, there is very common example. If eggs are being sold, then there is very much probability that bread will also be sold. However, if eggs are being sold, then there is very less probability that tomatoes are being sold. Clear? With this, we have association rules among eggs, bread, and tomatoes. Now, these associations can help in identifying what could be the pattern which customers are following. Next is target marketing. In target marketing, we have to identify that which people should we target so that our product will have better reach. For instance, we have a book. I have written a book named B1. Now there is one university, U1, and there are some teachers into it, T1, T2, T3. Instead of picking up some person randomly from the market, I will go and sell this product to this T1 teacher so that this teacher can recommend books to many other random people who that teacher is teaching. This is called target marketing. Next could be customer purchasing plan. Now, if we have idea about, let's say we have 4 customers, P1, P2, P3, P4. If we have idea that what person is purchasing what products at what intervals, then we will be able to identify, or we will be able to predict what this person would require in near future. Hence, we will be able to reduce the wear outs or wastage of our grocery store. Next is providing the summary information. If you have to say provide the summary or information about whatever goods are being sold, products have been sold till now, we will pick up multi-dimensional reports. Now, what are these multi-dimensional reports? These are performed within the data cube. For instance, if we divide this cube into 3 parts, we will say this information is about January, this information is about February, this information is about March. And similarly, if we divide this cube horizontally into 3 parts, then we will say that this information is about UK, this information is about US, this information is about India. Suppose we have provided this summary as a report. Now, in order to drill down, we will find some minute details for this. Now, this cube will be drilled down. Suppose we are picking up this very cube, just a single cube out of it. That means we are picking up the cube of UK for January reports. Again, if we divide this cube into 2 parts for January itself, it will be first half of January and second half of January. Now, if we talk about the division in terms of horizontal manner, we can pick this one was UK. If this one was UK, then we can divide it into one Scotland, let's say. Another could be London. For London, for the first half of January, what were the reports? So we have drilled down the reports. Similarly, these reports can be drilled down further or drill up in order to provide a more generalized view. So this was all about how we are going to analyze market and how we are going to manage it.